guys, welcome back to Indulge with Dimples. This week we're going to make something simple, easy, and we can start working on planning our 4th of July carry-in food. So I'm going to show you how to make something so simple. You need 3 ingredients for your first step, and then a couple more ingredients, like 3 or 4 more ingredients for your second step. We're going to merge them together, mash them together, and oh, what a wonderful day it's going to be. So tune in, stay tuned, like, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications, leave a comment down below if you're going to plan on trying this. And guess what? I will see you in the kitchen. Follow me in the kitchen. Nothing but to do it. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so this is a 2-step process of making this delicious meal. I'm going to show you what we're going to do. Get that the way so you don't be distracted. I'm going to show you what we're going to do. And the first step, you need 3 ingredients. Some half and half, some heavy whipping cream, up to you, but I have half and half. You're going to need a block of cream cheese, and you're going to need some pudding. I'm going to use vanilla pudding. You can use whatever pudding that you have, but I'm going to use vanilla pudding, a block of cream cheese, and half, or you can use heavy whipping cream. Alright guys, so now that you have made your topping, or you made your filling, which it looks like this, I just whipped it up a little bit more because I wanted it more smoother, and I added some more heavy or half and half. I'm going to put the measurements down below so you actually can see it. This is my favorite because it is 6 ingredients, maybe 7, give or take, but it doesn't take that long. So you're going to need some bananas. I think I'm going to start off with 2 bananas for the time being, and then you just need some nice berries. So I have blackberries, you can use blueberries, raspberries, and I have some strawberries. And then I have some lemons right here, because once we cut the berries and the banana, we just want to squeeze a little bit of lemon so that it doesn't turn on us. And then I have me a Pyrex container right here. You can use whatever you like, casserole dish, and I'm going to layer it. So you want to take your filling out, and you want to get it room temperature, or you want to stir it around so that it starts getting softer, but it's not too warm, because you still want it cool. Okay, and you want to taste it. If you like stuff really sweet, be my guest and go ahead and add sugar and more adding stuffings in there. But if you don't, just leave it like it is, because I like it. It's really good and tasty. Now I have these bananas. I'm gonna go ahead and cut these bananas up, and these are really nice. I didn't want no big bananas, so I'm just gonna slice them very thin like you do banana pudding, about that length. I'm going to take some of my cream, or my filling, just about a nice scoop of it, and I'm going to go ahead and put a nice little dollop at the bottom, just like you would do like a lasagna situation, and just spread it at the bottom. Just a thin coat, not a lot. And you want to go ahead and layer your bananas in here. When you're done, your first layer should look like this. Now, in order for it not to turn brown, you just want to take you a lemon and squeeze a little bit of lemon juice on top of these bananas. Okay? And then set it aside and go ahead and slice your berries up. And you want to take the tops off of them like so. And I'm going to thinly slice them just like I did the banana long ways. So they should be like this when they come out. Alright, so go ahead and finish chopping them up. Go ahead and get you another dollop. Put it in there. Spread it out. Maybe 2 this time. And layer your strawberries in there. And I'm going to repeat it again and add my last banana in here. Add a couple dollops. Spread it out. And my hands are clean, so I'm going to actually go ahead and use my hands for this. So I don't want too much of this in here because we're actually looking forward to tasting the fruit. It's not all about the cream cheese situation, it's about the fruit. So yeah. And then add the bananas. Add a little bit more lemon on top of this. And then I'm going to do one more layer of our cream cheese filling. You can use your hands a little bit for this. So I don't run all in my area. I'm going to take my berries and I'm just going to half them. And I'm going to sprinkle them on top. Sprinkle them on top just like so, and I'm gonna cut some of my strawberries up. And I'm gonna sprinkle some of my strawberries on top as well, and I'm gonna put them on the side. They kind of look like little bitty hearts. That's cute. Now you can add whatever berries or fruits that you like. If you like blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, you can go ahead and do that as well. But these are the berries that I actually like eating, so I actually picked these up today from the store to make this. And that looks beautiful. And last but not least, I'm gonna add a little bit of drizzle, a lemon on top, and clean it up. And look out, that's pretty. So I'm gonna take a piece of this, cut into it, and I'm gonna add a little something on top just for our enjoyment. Now, let's get us a nice little taste. So to make this even better, what you can do, I have these honey roasted pecan pieces. These are the bomb. I love them. I like putting them in my salad. But what I'm going to do is just take me a nice little corner of this out so I can show y'all what this looks like. Look at that. That's pretty. Put it in my bowl with the bananas and stuff. Sprinkle some of these on top. Just a few. And look, this is beautiful. So you can carry this to the cookout. It's really good. Father's Day, you can make this. You can even put some graham crackers or some animal crackers in here and make it, and it'll be delicious as well. Tastes really good. So hopefully next time, tune back in so y'all can make this, and I hope you enjoy it. See you next week.